Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great way to reduce those clapping tie and reduce your fat tie. Okay, now this remedy is going to help you equally reduce your arm fats and your back fat. Okay, so go try this out and watch the video till the end so you see all of the processes that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Yeah, do not forget to thumbs up and let's get right into the video. One of the great ingredients on how to lose your thigh fats is apple cider vinegar plus other natural great ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you them one after the other, and plus there's a very simple exercise that you can do to lose your thigh fats. Okay, it is not strenuous at all. When you take this that I'm going to be showing you plus that little exercise, is going to help you so much to remove all of your thigh fat and remove those clapping fat. So use organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, and when you want to use it, anytime you want to use it, you would have to shake it. Okay, let me grab a cup. So you need a glass cup and you need some water. You need some warm water for this remedy, guys. You need some warm water. Okay, now this ingredient, you have to be taking it warm. It has to be warm. Okay, so what you do is that you would have to take about 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, which is like 2 cups of this. Okay, after you put that, you stir it, and if there are particles in it, do not worry, it's from the apple cider vinegar because it is organic. Yeah, so you're equally going to be needing turmeric. Turmeric powder is a great spice that helps so much to reduce excessive weight, and it also helps to, flush out toxins in the body. Yeah, but when you want to take it, you have to take it little at a time. Yeah, just a little turmeric powder like this. Okay, so this is it. And the next thing you're going to be needing is lemon. Okay guys, so I have this, I've got lemon, okay, and I don't want it to waste, so I'm going to be using it for this thigh fat remedy. Okay, so this is our local lemon. It is usually green, just like this. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to be squeezing it into this. So you squeeze everything into it. And then you would stir. Now, the last thing you need is this, and this is cayenne pepper. Okay, cayenne pepper is the only pepper you're going to use for this ingredient that would actually help so much, because it's going to help you to pull out all of those fat cells, and your body is going to be looking really sexy. Yeah, I mean to say that. Okay, so how I'm going to do that, I'm going to be taking just 1 piece of cayenne pepper, and then I'm going to crush it. So this is a dry cayenne pepper, guys. So if you get a dry one, it's perfect. No, it's not small. Okay, so after we have crushed it, then we put it inside, and this is it. Yeah. Throw it away now. You put it in the dustbin. So this is it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting all of the cayenne pepper. Stir and make sure everything mixed together. This is actually going to help you so much to remove all of those fats, and trust me, try this and you're not going to be regretting you did. Okay, so you can take this every evening. Okay, when you wake up in the morning, it's going to make you poop out all of those fats. You follow suit with the little exercise that I'm going to be showing you shortly, and this is going to really help you to eliminate all of those fats. So this is how it is. Okay, let me have a take of this. Wow, this is actually really nice. It's not as pepperish as I thought, but it is a little pepperish, yeah. And the taste of the turmeric is what I personally do not like. I know some people love turmeric taste, but I drink it because I need to reduce fat. But I'm not going to be drinking much because I'm actually still breastfeeding. So try this out and let me know how it is. So that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and try this out, guys. You're going to be loving it. It's going to wash down all of those fats and your body is gonna be sexy. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. And bye, guys.